Good day, everyone. Today, we will be dealing with the circulatory system. Here are our objectives. Identify the parts of the circulatory system and describe the function of each part. Circulatory system is also known as the cardiovascular system. It functions with other body systems to deliver different materials in the body. It circulates vital elements such as oxygen and nutrients. It transports waste away from the body. What are the parts of the circulatory system? So here are the three major parts of the circulatory system: heart, blood vessel, and blood. Heart, it pumps the blood throughout the body. So it looks like this. The human heart, it is a hollow muscle. It is as big as your face. It has 4 chambers, 2 ventricles, and 2 atria. The human heart, the atria are the receiving chambers of the heart, accepting blood from the body. Right atrium, and from the lungs, left atrium. The ventricles are the pumping chambers, moving blood to the lungs. Right ventricle and into the body, left ventricle. The valve between each atrium and ventricle prevent the blood from flowing backwards. Blood vessel. It carries the blood throughout the body. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the cells, tissues, and organs of the body. Veins carry the oxygenated blood to the heart. Capillaries, the smallest blood vessels in the body. It connects the smallest arteries to the smallest veins. Actual site where gases and nutrients are exchanged. Blood, it carries the materials throughout the body. There are types of circulation. Pulmonary circulation. It refers to the movement of blood from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart. Coronary circulation. It refers to the movement of blood through the tissues of the heart. Systemic circulation. It refers to the movement of blood from the heart to the rest of the body, excluding the lungs. Now, let me ask you, what will happen if one part of the system fails to carry out its function properly?